off the mountain and rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, in spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Oh, Arthur, my boy. My dear boy.
What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks, nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
And I ain't losing it now.
Mr. Pearson?
Sadie.
Pearson?
How is that food coming along, Mr. Pearson?
It's coming! It's coming!
Another day.
What's wrong? Thought you'd be happy to be off that mountain.
Oh, I don't know.
You ain't been yourself for a while. Arthur.
Hi, Abigail.
Mr. Morgan, bring me some materials, and I'll be glad to make something nice for you.
Leonard.
Never said
he'd been robbed.
I reckon I'm gonna think about it.
So damn weak. I'd kill myself too. We both know that ain't true.
Hey,
Good morning.
No, the bravery is in the living. I don't know you very well, but I can tell you're brave, Miss Sadler. I really can.
I don't seem very brave.
Nonsense. You're about the bravest woman I ever met. And that tells me you got the courage. The courage to live.
I hope so. I really do.
I know so. Excuse me. I'm on the way. To meet someone.
if there's anything else we can do, just let us know.
There ain't nothing you can do.
All right. Well, you just holler.
How you feeling?
Got you there, tough guy.
Just name the place, my friend. Just name the place.
No, not quite like this.
Government agents, bounty hunters, traps, massive prices on our heads.
Smells
But if we
delightful,
keep hitting
Mr.
it, it'll
Pearson.
Still a big country.
You're Arthur, right?
My name ain't no concern of yours.
I'm hungry.
I don't give a damn.
Look, you seem like a decent feller behind it all.
Then you ain't a good judge of character.
Yeah, well, we'll leave it there then. Cruel bastards. Tying me up right by the food.
Good morning, Arthur.
Lenny? How are you, okay? Yep.
Pearson, I'm famished.
Did you and Micah see anything when you rode ahead?
Nothing we need to worry about.
Okay, good. All quiet, Hosea?
Thankfully, yes.
Good.
Good morning.
Laundry and sewing. The exciting life of an outlaw.
Well done, Arthur.
Yes, if they only knew how boring it really is.
Hey! Careful not to work yourself to death there, Uncle.
I was thinking.
Yeah, does it pay well?
Oh, eventually.
So, while the rest of us are busy stealing, killing, lying, fighting to try to survive, you get to think all day.
Well, it's a strange world we live in, Arthur Morgan.
Do you want to head into town? See if we can find anything out?
Sure. I got some errands to run.
Great. Go check the horses are ready.
If you gonna take the old man into town, you take us too?
Well, what you got planned?
Nothing. We'll find something for y'all to do. We always do.
We're bored out of our minds. Been cooped up here for 2 weeks now. Karen's about ready to murder Grimshaw.
Well, can Miss Grimshaw spare you?
Can Miss Grimshaw spare you? What's happened to you, Arthur? 3 young, healthy women want you to take them a robbing. You're worried about house chores.
Let's go.
Fair enough. You got me. Come on then.
I can't believe we're going to see civilization. Feels like weeks since we did.
Yeah, Valentine. Very embodiment of civilization. Ladies are gonna love it.
Okay then. Let's go.
All right, out through the tree. Then take a left.